Stop scrolling. How did I live without this? From insane tech to mind-blowing tools, we've got it all. Smash that subscribe and watch closely, because these are the gadgets you actually need in your life. Links to grab them? Yup, description. Don't wait. Let's go. Ever cut your finger opening a can? Yeah, not anymore. This is a one-touch electric can opener. Press once, walk away. It auto-stops, cuts the side, and leaves a smooth, safe edge. No sharp lids, no mess. USB rechargeable, quiet, fast. Opens 100+ cans on one charge. Perfect for busy kitchens, seniors, or anyone tired of struggling. Hands-free, clean, modern. This is how cans should be opened in 2026. This looks like a pen, but it's actually a precision power drill. Meet the Aeromax Mini Drill Pen. Perfect for jewelry, wood, plastic, even circuit boards. You get 5-speed control, so delicate work stays clean, not ruined. The OLED display and LED lights show exactly what you're doing. No guesswork. Ultra-portable, USB-C rechargeable, and the bits swap in seconds. If you do DIY, crafts, or repairs, this tool saves time and frustration. Small tool, pro-level precision. You don't hear footsteps at night. This does. Someone pulls into your driveway. Alarm hits instantly. This wireless driveway alarm covers up to half a mile, detects cars or people from 50 feet, and works in rain, snow, heat, all year. Plug it in, mount the sensors, done. No Wi-Fi, no app, no false alarms. Front gate, driveway, garage, backyard. You know before they get close. Peace of mind? Handled. You think your nightstand is safe? This is safer and smarter. This biometric gun safe opens in under half a second. Fingerprint, PIN, or backup key. On top, wireless charging for your phone and smartwatch. No extra cables. It's also a smart clock. Time, temp, humidity, battery, all visible. Silent mode, interior LED. One-touch access in the dark. Your firearm secure. Your essentials charged. One device. Zero compromise. Your desk looks boring? This changes everything. This is the Divoom Times Gate, a cyberpunk digital clock that turns your setup into a vibe. 5-pixel screens, animated art, live time, weather, even notifications. Control it from your phone, design your own pixel art, or pull creations from a global community. Gaming room, office, streaming setup. It fits perfectly. It's not just a clock, it's personality for your desk. Wet shoes after rain, snow, or a long day? Don't wear that tomorrow. This portable shoe dryer pushes warm, silent air through your boots and sneakers, drying them overnight without shrinking or burning. Use it at home or in your car. Work boots, ski boots, gloves, drop it in, turn it on, forget it. No noise, no smell, no damp mornings. Your shoes wake up ready before you do. Still traveling with 3 chargers and a mess of cables? Stop. This one adapter works in 200+ countries. Europe, US, UK, Asia, Australia. Pull the built-in USB-C cable. Boom. 45-watt fast charge. Charge 6 devices at once. Phone, tablet, laptop, earbuds. Small enough for your pocket. Powerful enough for your whole setup. No cable chaos. No dead battery panic. This is the one travel gadget smart travelers don't skip. You ever squint at the clock and still don't know the time? Not with this. This 13.7-inch digital clock is massive, bright, and crystal clear. Wall or desk. It shows time, temperature, and auto-dims so it's never blinding at night. Pick from 11 RGB colors, night lights, dual alarms, timers, even a remote. Perfect for bedrooms, gyms, gaming setups, classrooms, big display, smart features, zero effort. This isn't just a clock, it runs your day. Sore joints after work or workouts? This little device could change everything. The Kineon Move 2 uses powerful red light plus infrared laser therapy to target pain and inflammation right where it hurts, deep inside muscles and joints. Just strap it on, hit start, and in minutes a day you're boosting circulation, speeding recovery, and easing stiffness without pills or shots. Portable, hands-free, and made for real relief. Pain doesn't stand a chance. Ever seen a printer that prints on your coffee? Yeah, this one does. Drop it on a latte, dessert, or drink, upload any image, logo, or text, and boom! Edible ink prints it perfectly in seconds. Cafes use it for branding. Parties use it for wow factor. Creators use it to go viral. No mess, no skills, just press print, and your food becomes content. Ever drop a screw and it disappears forever? This magnetic pickup tool saves you instantly. Extend it, bend it, light it up. Strong magnet grabs bolts, screws, tools from tight, dark spaces. Under the car, behind the couch, inside engines, no crawling, no stress. Built tough, super bright LED, pocket-friendly. If you fix stuff, build stuff, or just hate losing stuff, this little tool is a game changer. Watching videos on your phone with no stand and weak sound? Yeah, not anymore. This is a 2-in-1 Bluetooth speaker with a detachable phone stand. Snap it on, set your angle, hit play, instant hands-free entertainment. Loud, clean stereo sound, rock-solid grip, even white noise modes for sleep or focus. At home, outdoors, FaceTime, gaming, one gadget does it all. Simple, smart, everyday, useful. You think it's just a pen until something breaks. This Reiki multi-tool pen packs 11 tools in your pocket. Screwdriver, LED light, level, ruler, bottle opener, even a stylus. Loose screw, fixed. Dark corner, light on. Quick measurement, done. Heavy-duty metal build, smooth writing, and it actually gets used, not forgotten. Perfect for work, home, car, or gifts. One pen, so many saves. Power goes out. This turns night into day. This flashlight hits insane brightness. You can light up a whole field. Camping, emergencies, road trips. This thing handles everything. Zoom in for long distance, zoom out for wide area. 7 modes, side light, even red for emergencies. Recharge once, runs all night. Rain, snow, doesn't care. Built like a tank. This isn't a flashlight. It's peace of mind in your hand. Ever mess up a cut because the shape wasn't straight? This tool fixes that. This is a connectable contour gauge. Press it, lock it, cut it. No guessing, no remeasuring. Snap 2 pieces together for extra wide shapes. Perfect for flooring, tiles, pipes, trim. One move, perfect fit. If you do DIY, woodworking, or home upgrades, this tool saves time, money, and frustration. And that's a wrap on today's insane gadgets. Hit like, smash subscribe to Next Tool X for more crazy tech. And check the description for links to grab these yourself. Stay curious, stay gadget smart, and I'll see you in the next one.